In today's fast-paced world, effective project management is the backbone of any successful endeavor. Whether you're a small startup, a large corporation, or even managing personal projects, having the right tools can make all the difference between chaos and streamlined efficiency. Among the plethora of project management software available, ClickUp and Jira consistently stand out as popular choices. However, the question remains, which one is better? As a seasoned project management expert, I can tell you there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The better tool ultimately depends on your specific needs, team size, industry, and project complexity. Both ClickUp and Jira offer robust features designed to help you organize tasks, collaborate effectively, and track progress. Let's delve into a comprehensive comparison to help you make an informed decision. Understanding the core strengths. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, it's crucial to understand the fundamental philosophies behind each platform. ClickUp, the all-in-one powerhouse. ClickUp positions itself as a highly customizable and versatile work management platform. It aims to be a central hub for all your work, integrating features for project management, task management, time tracking, document collaboration, and even goal setting. Its strength lies in its flexibility and the sheer number of features it offers, often eliminating the need for multiple specialized tools. Jira, the agile and issue tracking specialist. Originally designed for software development teams, Jira excels in issue tracking, bug fixing, and agile project management methodologies like Scrum and Kanban. Its core strength lies in its robust workflow customization, detailed issue tracking capabilities, and seamless integration with other Atlassian products like Confluence and Bitbucket. Feature-by-feature breakdown. Let's compare key features to see how ClickUp and Jira stack up. 1. Task management. ClickUp offers a hierarchical structure with spaces, folders, lists, and tasks, allowing for granular organization. You can customize views, list, board, calendar, Gantt, mind map, etc., create custom fields, set priorities, assign multiple assignees, and track time directly on tasks. Its flexibility allows teams to manage simple to complex tasks with ease. For instance, a marketing team might use a campaign space with folders for each specific campaign, lists for different stages, planning, creation, launch, and individual tasks for each deliverable. Jira primarily focuses on issues, which can represent tasks, bugs, user stories, or any other work item. It offers customizable workflows to define the life cycle of an issue, detailed fields for tracking information, and the ability to link issues. While powerful for issue tracking, its task management can feel less visually intuitive for non-software teams compared to ClickUp's various views. For a software development team, an issue could be a bug report with fields for severity, priority, steps to reproduce, and the assigned developer. 2. Project views and organization. ClickUp shines with its diverse range of views. Teams can switch between list view for simple task lists, Kanban-style board view for visual workflow management, calendar view for scheduling, Gantt chart for project timelines, and many more. This adaptability makes it suitable for various project types and team preferences. Imagine a content creation team using the board view to track articles through stages like drafting, editing, and published, while the project manager uses the Gantt chart to monitor the overall timeline. Jira primarily utilizes board, Kanban, and backlog, Scrum, views, which are highly effective for agile methodologies. While it offers roadmaps for a high-level overview, its visual project management capabilities outside the agile framework are less extensive than ClickUp's. A Scrum team would use the backlog to prioritize user stories and the board to visualize the sprint progress. 3. Collaboration and communication. ClickUp integrates chat directly within tasks, allowing for contextual communication. It also offers document creation and sharing, whiteboards for brainstorming, and the ability to tag team members in comments. This built-in communication fosters seamless collaboration within the platform. For example, designers can share mockups directly within a task and discuss feedback with developers. Jira focuses collaboration around issues, with comments, attachments, and the ability to mention team members. While it integrates well with Confluence for more extensive documentation, its built-in collaboration features are less comprehensive than ClickUp's all-in-one approach. Developers can comment on a bug report to provide updates or ask clarifying questions. 4. Automation and workflow customization. ClickUp offers a robust automation feature, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks based on triggers and actions. This can significantly improve efficiency by automatically assigning tasks, changing statuses, sending notifications, and more. For instance, when a task status changes to ready for review, an automation can automatically assign it to the QA team and send a notification. Jira boasts highly customizable workflows that can be tailored to match complex development processes. You can define specific statuses, transitions, and rules for how issues move through their lifecycle. This is particularly valuable for ensuring adherence to specific development methodologies. For example, a software development workflow might include statuses like open, in progress, code review, testing, and closed, with specific transitions and required actions at each stage.